Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You've got the essentials ready. Now install and open the Kindle app. Sign in with your Amazon account so purchases and progress sync across devices. Grant storage and notification permissions when prompted. This lets books download and lets the app notify you about updates. Once signed in, go to Library, tap a book or sample to download. If download stalls, pause and retry. But for now, make sure the book opens, because that confirms account and network are working. Once a book is open, learn the controls. Tap the screen to reveal toolbar, then swipe or use the navigation arrows. You can adjust font size, line spacing, margins, and background color to reduce eye strain. These settings sync so you stay comfortable across devices. Use tap and hold to highlight text or add notes, and consult the dictionary or X-ray for context. Use the search box to jump to chapters or find phrases. These steps make reading efficient and your annotations retrievable. Finish by syncing your progress. Tap Sync to furthest page so devices match. Manage storage by removing local copies to cloud. Re-download any book when you go offline. Buy books from the store or on Amazon, then download for offline reading before travel. If something goes wrong, like books not appearing, force sync first, then clear the app cache, and finally sign out and sign in or reinstall. These steps resolve most sync and display issues and get you back to reading quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.